Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra here, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, AT4 now branded on the door. You have your driving modes as well as trailer mode, push button 4x4 automatic headlights, fog lights, heads up display controls, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, paddle shifters on the back side. We do have the full digitized gauge cluster there as well. Redesigned engine stop start, fighter jet style, big button, can't miss it. You do have the super large over 13-inch screen as well with Google operating system, Google Play Store, Google Assistant, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay both available. Still, you have your shifter knob now in the center console, trailer braking. Vehicles equipped with heated and ventilated seating, dual zone climate, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, everything you'd expect in one of these beautiful trucks. All black interior followed throughout with Bose audio, big speakers in the doors, and our black leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked out window trim, AT4 badging on the front fender, 6.2 liter V8 plaque on the front fender there as well. So the AT4 on the front door. The redesigned front end. The vehicle does come with the factory 2-inch lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Redesigned front end with the AT4 branded grille, red tow hooks, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Front parking sensors as well. Crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the vehicle, we do have the color-matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, the GM MultiPro tailgate, and of course your trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior of the vehicle, second row leather 60/40 split, both end seats here are car seat ready and heated. We have the in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. Coming back down, your three-stage heated seat controls, as well as USB ports, tons and tons of room in the back of the crew cab Sierra. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.